Hi, my name is Robin Forster, and I wanted to share a little story with you about how I heard about green cleaners or non toxic cleaners. One day when I was in junior college in the early 70s, I was over at the president of our ecology club's apartment, and yes, it was called Ecology Club back then. And he was doing dishes, and he finished up the dishes, and he took his dishpan, and I followed him across the kitchen floor. We walked down the back stairs out to the backyard, and I was wondering what he was going to do. We were still chatting, and we walked out into the backyard, and he headed over towards this fruit tree. And do you know what he did? I'll tell you in case you're wondering. He emptied his whole dishpan of dirty dishwater or gray water onto that fruit tree. And that fruit tree was the most gorgeous looking, healthy tree I had seen in a long time. And I was wondering exactly why he was doing this. And so we sat down and we chatted for a few minutes in the backyard. And he told me about how to help save the planet and how to use green cleaners that actually work and are budget friendly. So if you would like more information, please get in touch with me. I'll be happy to share what he told me, what I've learned, and what I've been using for the last